The noun. Noun is the name of a person like Tom, animal, example cat, place, example India, thing, example book. Here are few examples of noun. Names of persons: Nicole, Tom, Alec, Jenny. Names of animals: elephant, cat, dog, horse. Names of places: Kuala Lumpur, India, New York, Russia. Names of things: telephone, table, book, computer. There are 5 kinds of nouns. For example, proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun. Here we will learn about the following: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, noun gender, noun number.